Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a try on haul, y'all. We're gonna try on some clothes. It's been a little while. So grab some tea, grab some snacks, whatever it is, y'all, because we are going to try on some new clothes, okay? And as always, I'm gonna put my measurements down, my measurements and my weight and my height down into the description box below. Hopefully that helps you guys to gauge what size will fit your body. Whatever shape it is, honey. Oh, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe, y'all, to join the tribe, as well as please turn on those post notifications because YouTube be playing people, y'all, and I need you guys to know when I upload a video. Okay? All right, let's get right into this because there are quite a few pieces. Let's go. Okay, so first up, we've got this beautiful lavender two-piece, honey. I really didn't realize that it was completely blown out because the sun was coming in, honey, and the color is way more true to what you're seeing in the mirror. So this material is like ribbed, it's stretchy, it's one of those things that comes and looks really small when you first get it, and then you put it on, you're like, oh, you fit me. You know those ones? It's super cute. It's got the detailing of the belt around the arms as well as around the waist. It's high-waisted. It's a little bit short for my bumper gal, them, but you know what, it can work. It's not gonna, you're not gonna be completely exposed, but just be mindful, you know. Love it because I can wear it with a strapless bra, and this is gonna be everything for me this summer, honey. Next up, we've got this super cute yellow shirt, guys. It's so comfy. It's got cute little detailed like texture on it, and it's just one of those things you could throw on with a skirt, shorts. I mean, honestly, I put it with this little lavender skirt and I was like, yes, this is giving me all the summer vibes. As well, yeah, y'all know I love a crop top and anything that exposes the little two-ab at the front, y'all. So this one for me is like a must-have this summer. I'll be killing it. And I love that the sleeves are nice and long. They're not short for the girls out there with the long arms. And it's stretchy. A must. Next up, we've got this two-piece. It's a top with a little tie around the waist, as well as a nice wide leg pants, guys. Super stretchy, so summery. It's perfect for vacation. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, you saw that I wore this on my recent trip to the Dominican Republic with curls. Guys, I need this in a few different colors, to be honest, because if I could just wear this all day, I would, honey. Oh my gosh. It's one of those things you can throw on for like going out if you want to at night. During the daytime, you kind of just feel ready for anything, and you're super comfortable, y'all. Super comfortable. And the boob part comes with like a little insert cup, so if you got the perky boobs, you don't need a bra, and even if you do wear a strapless with it, the little cups help to like smooth it out. The legs. Let's talk about the length here. For my girls who are longer inseam or tall, these pants are nice and long, and they're super wide and flowy. Fashion Nova, can you guys make this in a few other colors for your girl, please? Because I need it. I need it. Next up, we have got this. I was going to say this is one of my favorites, but honestly, a lot of these pieces have all been kind of my favorites. But this dress, you guys, I don't know what it is, but I feel like lately it's been hard to find really cute, super comfortable, and stretchy summer dresses. I don't know if y'all feel me on that, but it's been a bit of a challenge, and I'm in love with this. The material is really nice and stretchy. It's super soft. It's long enough. It's got double slit. It's got a little open back action. I have one of those like sticky bras on with it. It's just everything, you guys. Oh my gosh. Love the colors. Like, what can I say? Like, there's really nothing about this dress that I don't like or love, I should say, honestly. Next up, this one isn't really a summer piece, but it's good for summer nights. I just really wanted this, and it kept selling out, and I finally got it. So I was very happy about it. It's got that race car, NASCAR vibe, biker chick, although you could never wear this on an actual motorcycle. Something you could throw on with running shoes or heels. Yeah, and it's kind of one of those things that it's casual, but you can totally dress it up. And it goes down. It's like a nice midi length. It goes way past your knees. Hello. Next up, we've got another matching set. This one also is, again, kind of casual, but you could totally dress it up. It's super comfortable. It's like those sweatpant material kind of feelings where you feel like you're just not really wearing anything, you know, and it's like nice and light, but not too thin where you feel like all of your life is exposed, you know what I mean? But it's so comfy and like I love it. The long sleeves going like past, kind of sitting like just between your hands. I love it. Okay. Hi. Just yeah, you like my outfit? Thanks, girl. Next up, we've got another tropical vibe because let's face it, guys, deep down inside, I'm an island girl. Like, I love tropical anything at this point in my life, / have always have. And the prints are all over the place and I can't help it. But this one I'm like on the fence about. I'm not 100% sure if I love it. I think the band in the middle wasn't like doing much for me. Like, it kind of was just like a piece of extra material, but I think I might put it on and tuck that band in so that the whole stomach is out. But the dress overall is super comfortable and I do like the color. Why? Because it's gonna look amazing with mustard yellow. And you guys know I love mustard yellow. So look at that. See, it looks better, I think, with nothing there, right? Can we agree? I don't know. Comment below, let me know what you think. If it's a keeper or not. And it's a cute length, not too short, just around the knee. It's nice, it's nice. Alright guys, now this next outfit, dun, 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 dun. I have to tell you guys, I am a dancehall queen at heart inside. Like this one piece, if you guys are Caribbean, then you know exactly what I mean when I say dancehall queen. Because this one piece, long sleeve, it's tight to the ankle, cut out in the front, my girl skin out, but not fully skin out because I'm not showing that much, but in love with this piece. It's super tropical. I know it's not for everyone, but girl, you feeling it? I just need to put like some 2A tape and get those stickies, get my boobs up, and we good, but totally in love with it. What can I say? Comment below. Let me know if you guys would rock this piece or not. Or y'all. Next up, we've got one of my faves again. Okay, girl, stop. It wouldn't be a haul of mine without something mustard yellow. Now would it, darling? Now would it? So this piece I'm in love with, obviously. It's crop top, matching set, stripes, mustard yellow, like all the things I love. Right now I have a lot of static in these pants, so you can't see, like, but they really sit nice. Like they flow really good. They've got a great length. I don't know why I have so much static right now, so you can't see. They're kind of like sticking to me instead of flowing, but I think you guys get the point. Also, I did get the whole set in a medium, and I found that the bra was a little bit too big. So what I did was I cut it in the middle and then overlapped it and restitched it so that it allowed me to still have the cup coverage that I wanted and still have the size of the bottoms that I needed. So yeah, this was a little tip. Okay, guys, and last but not least, I'm going to give a shout out to my back right now, just because I've been working really hard on it and it's really coming together finally. But back on the topic of my dancehall queen, aspirations in life, and my true identity, this outfit, y'all, honestly, it's everything that I love. Let me just give you a list right here. It's got pattern. It's backless, y'all, okay? It's got the cutout in the front to expose my 2-ab. Y'all know, if you've been here for a while, then you know I love a 2-ab. And if you're new here, the 2-ab is the ab at the top that always wants to pop first. So you just always want to show that 2-ab, honey. Okay? Then let's talk about the fact that this is a one-piece jumper. I don't have to wear a bra with it. And it's long. And it's bell-bottom. I mean, like, for me personally, those are all the things I look for in a dream outfit. But seriously, guys, and it's super stretchy. Like, I'm in love. Y'all just outdate yourself with this here one. Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, as well as turn on those post notifications so that you know when I upload a video. Comment below and let me know what you guys want my next video to be on. Type away. I really want to know. I want to hear from you guys because the algorithms be playing me. Everything is playing me. And no, I'm joking. But seriously, I just would like to hear from you directly. If it's hauls like this that you guys want to see more, if it's more hair, if it's fitness content, holla at me, let me know, as well as follow me on Instagram, guys, because I feel like on Instagram you really get a lot more content. I post on there almost daily. Yeah, so yeah, just holla at me. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, set the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm